Today I have a legendary Assam Oud or Hindi Oud oil in my hands, which is called Oud Khidr or Oud Khidr in Arabic. It is Oud Khidr. So Khidr was actually or is actually a legend, or you can say a prophet of God, Allah, and some says that he is still alive and he guides different saints and other prophets, and he will be alive till the day of the judgment. Anyhow, so Oud Khidr, this is from Assam. It has been distilled in 2017, pretty old. So I am going to review its bottle. 3-gram bottle is available around $600 to $700. So it is one of the expensive oud oils. So let's try to test this one now and find out what this Oud Khidr is. So it's kind of like mysterious name to this oud. I really enjoy how Ensar Oud actually names his oud oils. So I am going to apply it on my wrist now because two areas on my hands are already occupied by two most expensive oud oils. So Oud Khidr, let's try to find out. Ooh, it's very fruity, light jam, and kind of like sweet and sour kind of touch to it, a fermented note, and it is not really similar to most of the Hindi oud oils because they have fermentation which is a dense dark kind of fermentation. It has more on the refined side. Oh, it is very different fermented note. It is kind of airy, herbal, and kind of like little fruity rather than more of a spice and leather. It has more on the less on the leathery and spicy side, more on the little bit of fruity side. It seems like some fruit or maybe a little bit of spice, jam, or some chutney. Maybe it is fermented for some time and it has some airy thing to it, a cool feeling to it, which is very rare in Hindi oud oils. A bit serious scent for, I think, for middle-aged or maybe people like me. I am like 40 plus. Very lovely, airy, sweet, light spices, less leather, not very heavy on leather, clean, sweet, light fermentation or funky note, which mostly call the newbies which come to the oud world, they think that this is very nasty smell, but it is not nasty. Once you understand it, it is really lovely oud oil. Hindi oud oil, one of the best, I would say it is one of the best from Assam region. And this is my review about Oud Khidr from Ensar Oud, which was distilled in 2017. Region or area is Assam, and very lovely scent profile, airy, sweet with some light fruitiness, fermented note, spices, and very kind of attractive kind of scent profile. So it actually grabs your nose or your attention towards it. So very lovely oud oil from Ensar Oud. I will review more ouds and compare more oud oils now because I have got samples from one of my friend from Karachi, and he lives in, right now he is in Karachi, but he lives in Saudi Arabia and recently got very interested in oud oils. So these are his samples, thanks to him. And I'm going to end this video. I will meet you with another review and another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.